A huge short open for Msgm before the market open. We discussed this stock in our pre-market update that we did on our Patreon, and we discussed this potential jump down and reversal. And we said the 2780 around this box, we're gonna have a huge reversal for this stock after we break this flag, because we broke the flag before the market opened and the price went toward our support area, buying pressure, and the price went higher again. And guess what? In our live streaming, we hunted again and we said we're gonna have a reversal around the 45 resistant area. We're gonna have a rejection right now around the 45. Msgm, potential rejection there. Exactly. So the 45 around this area is why the price went down. If we go in the big picture a bit, we see that got rejected around the 45 and the 47. That's why the price went down. Now accumulated between our resistance right now are around the 37 and our support are above the 25. So we're going to discuss the potential breakout zone and potential support area for Msgm, because we're still up 70% even though we have this huge selling pressure. Next up, we got Ebet. We hunted this stock in our live streaming when we broke the $2.17, and you see it here. We already calculated our profit taking. It was around the 18%. And we said the $1.70 is our support. The breakout zone is the $2.18, and we took our profit before the rejection around the $2.59. If we go to Ebet, we see that the price actually got rejected around our profit taking with the wick, and then price went down, and we'll discuss it again on our live streaming when we said the $1.70 should be a reversal, and we got reversed, and the price got rejected again at the resistance that we said we're gonna have a rejection at around the $2.17. Next up, we're gonna discuss the VS, and of course we're gonna discuss AI because it's getting near this breakout zone. If we go in the blue chip company, we got AMD doing all right because we got earnings last time after hours yesterday. We have a great earnings, 2.88% up, and the surplus of the revenue almost 87 million. And we did almost 8% up, and you see we have a sea of red for all the blue chip company. Even though we have a huge red day for many stocks, AMD doing great because the great earnings, and this is confirmed that the market maker bought AMD and is still pumping the stock. We're going to discuss the profit taken for AMD the coming days. So let's get right to it and discuss the stock on our watch list for today, which is Msgm. We hunted this stock in our Patreon, and we said there's something about to happen from this flag. We said if we broke this flag from above, we're gonna have the 87 and continue to go higher. Otherwise, we're gonna have a huge selling pressure if we break this flag down, and that's what happened. We didn't even test the 47 or the 45, and the price went down parabolically. And guess what? The price bought back. For Msgm, still we are in midway between the support and the resistance. It's a big wide support and resistance, I know, because this one is pretty volatile. We already did 200% in the pre-market, now 72%. So what's the game plan? Now we have this box to hold, which is above this AMA. You see this blue line? This is our support. We need to hold above the 23 and the 27 to confirm that the market maker bought here, and we're gonna have a continuation up, because if we broke this level, we're gonna see a huge selling pressure again and potential reversal. We're gonna discuss this in our Patreon and Discord if this happened in after hours or pre-market tomorrow, because this stock is pretty volatile and we have to do short analysis right after the breakout or a reversal area from the squeeze area. So at the moment, we need to hold the 23.56 as a last bottom, and if we went there, we need to hold it, accumulate, then we're gonna continue toward the squeeze area to 47.47. 47.47 would be a potential break and potential squeeze for this stock to go toward the 58, then the 87 profit taken. And we're gonna do update for the profit taken in coming videos, so watch out for this update as soon as we're gonna have breaking for the support or breaking for a squeeze area from the resistance for the 47.47. Next up, we got Ebet. This stock we hunted in our live streaming when we broke the $2.17. We got alerted once we broke this level. So we enter around this level, the price got halted in midway, then we took our profit around the $2.62. And guess what we said? There's a huge short will open, so take your profit. The price went down, boom, and we don't hold the breakout zone around the $2.17. Then we said we're gonna have a reversal above the $1.70, and we went until the $1.74, and we reversed, and we got rejected around our resistance area that we discussed on our live streaming. So what's the game plan for this stock? Now we got shorted right around the $2.60. There's a potential reversal right now, so we need to hold this current pattern in order to continue to go higher and continue toward the $3. So this will be a really interesting play. I will be watching. If we broke the $2.17, we're gonna do update as well. VS doing all right. We still have potential to squeeze. The top gainer for today, 300% for today. And the price went down and still holding our support. There's potential to retest the $4. If we just continue to go higher and break at least the $2.77, which is an important level to break to continue to go higher. Otherwise, we're going to have a short until the $1.70 once again. So watch out. The $2.77 would be a potential squeeze area for VS and continue toward the $4. Right now, we see a bit selling pressure. This is normal because we are near this resistance area, which is the $2.77. Next up, we got AI. This stock have potential to squeeze because it's been under radar for a lot of traders on Reddit. So there's a potential for another pump because we already pumped on Tuesday. We have a huge pump and the price got rejected around the 21.30. So we have last test around yesterday, and today we got tested again around this breakout zone. So there's a potential for squeeze if we overcome the 21.30 to go toward the first profit taken around the 22.37. We're gonna update the other profit taken once we break from this level. So stay tuned for this update, chart update on our Discord and Patreon. Let me just go on a blue chip company. As we said, we got AMD doing all right because we have a great earnings after hours yesterday, and the price have a great reaction. Semiconductors doing really great. Even for Nvidia, we have a potential bullish trend continuation for this year after we break the 205. So this will be a potential break after this bearish trend that opened almost in 2020 in December. We escaped from this bearish trend around last November. We have a great trend reversal for Nvidia, for AMD as well, doing all right, and we have to wait for this profit taken around the 85 and the $99. This will be a pivot area for this year to hit for AMD if we hold above the $72 for AMD. We're gonna do update, of course, for those stocks, so stay tuned for that. Tomorrow we're gonna do a live stream around 3 p.m. CET or 9 a.m. Eastern time before the market open, okay, in pre-market, just 30 minutes before the market open. We're gonna do a watch list and pre-market update for our hunter on Patreon to hunt for the stock that have potential to squeeze, prepare for the exact entry and exit. So stay tuned for those two videos for tomorrow market. See you in the next update.